I want to expose Wizkid for this video. You get one powerful secret where Wizkid they use to stay relevant. And now I'm understand the secret. The rest will not understand them. You know understand. If you see we are dinner day, my village. I think my father's house, my village. You know they shop plantain and red oil. You know understand. It's very, very healthy. Now, Wizkid, if any artist they trend, the artist they do at that time, and everybody they feature the artist, Wizkid not go feature the artist direct. See what he go do. He go reach out to DJ Tunes. DJ Tunes will go feature Wizkid and the artist. So in case the song not blow, everybody knows that not be Wizkid get the song before now DJ Tunes song. Why if the song blow, the glory will come to Wizkid. You understand this secret perfectly, and they use that very well for the industry. Now why you say you know you see Wizkid's song anyhow. You know understand. He do am during the time of Omah Lay. When everybody rush to feature Omah Lay, he reach out to DJ Tunes. Pami, DJ Tunes come feature with the Asian baby with Omah Lay. The song go well. The glory go to Wizkid. Is he doing for Fola? Wizkid not go. You know saying even Davido go reach out to say, this your song is doing well. Let's collaborate. Let's work together. You can still work to push the song. Wizkid don't do like that. If any artist they hot, except that you go feature am but say make it go feature you know. He go reach out to DJ Tunes. DJ Tunes will come feature Wizkid and the person. So that you can't be like saying that DJ Tunes now feature you, not be Wizkid feature you. If you doubt what they tell you observe, you go see if you come more sentiment, what they talk na pure truth. You know understand? And the secret they work for a perfect. Why you see that if Wizkid appear for your song or he feature you, the wait the day. Because you know he not go feature you anyhow. You understand? Because of this secret way they you know Wizkid they feature people anyhow, but the way they do him, it go be like say not be him, not true person. That guy, he get ambience. I swear, Geh.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.